How to create reports in Wrike. In this video, I'll show you how to create reports in Wrike. So to get started, go ahead and open Wrike.com into your browser, sign in to your account, and then head over into the More tab and then click on Reports from there, which you'll find that at the left side of your screen at your sidebar. So on the Reports tab, you'll find this. So as you can see, there are different kinds of report that you can create on Wrike. You can also create a custom report in here. So simply click on that report that you want to generate and then go ahead and set the location, the data source, the type of report, and the title of your report. Make sure to add all of the data source of this report to ensure that this report contains all of the information you'll need. And then click on this create button to proceed on creating this report. And this is how it looks like. So my report actually looks like this since there aren't much data on my Wrike account, but if there is, you'll find your report into this section, and that is how you can basically create reports in Wrike. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.